friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you a small story of a circuit. So let's start the video. In this circuit there are many friends. Resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor, optocoupler, MOSFET and many others. Everyone works together to run a machine. One day, electricity come running very fast. Electricity said, I am very powerful. If I enter, everything mount burnt. Then resistor stood in the front. Resistor said, stop friend, don't go so fast. I will help you move slowly. It made the path of electricity narrow. Due to this, electricity stayed moving slowly and the circuit became safe. Then electricity went to the capacitor. Capacitor said, stay with me for a while. I will store you. I will release you again if needed. Capacitor stored the electricity so that there are no jacks in the circuit. Suddenly, electricity went to go the wrong way. Then diode came forward. Diode said, this is a one-way road. Going backwards is forbidden. Electricity stood move in the right direction. A little further was the powerful rectifier diode. He said, I will turn AC electricity into DC so that mobiles can be charged. And indeed, the electricity changed into calm DC electricity. Then electricity went to the transistor. Transistor said, I can do big jobs with small signals. I work like a switch with a small signal. He started a big motor. Then come the big powerful brother power transistor. He said, I can handle large currents. Inverters, amplifiers, everything runs on me. Then come the modern friend MOSFET. MOSFET said, I work very fast and get lost heated. Controlling big power is my job. The charts and inverters then started laughing. Suddenly, news of a danger arrived. On one side was high voltage and on the other side was a small circuit. Then octocoupler came forward. He said, you guys stay separate. I will send news with light, not with electricity. And LED lit off on one side. And the transistor worked on the other side. Everyone remained safe. Then the little friend ceramic capacitor said, I remove noise and keep the signal clean. The radio sound became clear. Then came the timekeeper crystal oscillator. He said, I tick like a clock. Everyone will follow my time. Mobiles and computer stayed working at the right time. Finally, the voltage regulator arrived. He said, I keep the voltage right. I decrease it if it's too high and fix it if it's too low. All machines stayed running safely. This is how this friend of the small circuit work together. Someone reduces current, someone stores heat, someone settles the direction, someone controls power, someone keeps track of time, and you get mobiles, TVs, chargers, fans, inverters, and computers. This was the history of our small circuit. Here resistor, capacitor, diode and transistor all work as friends. If you like this history, give a like. Tell us in the comments as components history you liked the most and subscribe to our channel to get more histories like this about electronics. Thank you so much friend. See you in the next video.